Introducing Creative Cuts Houseplants Layering Die Set. On the back, we have our layering guide showing step by step how to layer together each of the elements included in this beautiful die set. There are the inks listed as well as the cardstock used listed to help you create what's shown here. We'll have a look at the dies on the inside. There are 15 dies included in this set. And on the front, you can have a look at the dies up at the top there, and at the bottom, you can see a project you could create with this die set. And here's a look at the pieces laid out in the order we are going to use them. I just want to show you the pot goes down where the pot top goes up, and then the hanger. And there's the hugs. We don't show that layered in the video, but I just wanted to show you this beautiful sentiment. We'll begin with a little flower inked with polar bear. We will add the second layer with iceberg. And then finally the flower center with Sicilian amber. We'll move on to the snowman flower with ultramarine. Piece 2 is layered on piece 1, and that's with eastern sky. Piece 3, using the snowman shape, is layered onto piece 2, and that's eastern sky as well. And then we're going to use the snowman shape to layer the next piece, which is Sicilian amber. And then this shape is just the shape of the piece to cover up that snowman. Now we're going to move on to the large flower, which starts with polar bear, then iceberg, and then Sicilian amber again. So we're going to put our pot together. We have mangrove root. Then we have morning frost cardstock. Next, we have evening gray cardstock. And then up on the top on that lip, we're going to put that final piece, which is moonrock cardstock. And then we'll bring in the hanger, which is cut from the beautiful brushed gold metallic cardstock. And we'll get that put into place. And that will finish off our gorgeous Houseplants layering die set. Here is some inspiration from our fabulous designers. If you're curious to find out more about the Creative Cuts Houseplant and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.